got the throwout bearing, got the release sleeve. Steven's here with the van. About to put this in the vise and install it right now. We need a piece of wood though. So we're putting in the throwout bearing on the release sleeve. Took like 5 tries, but we finally got it. Steven's acting gay. Okay, the new throwout bearing's on. This is a coil OEM throwout bearing. Now we gotta put in the clutch fork, hook it all together. The spring has to go back in, and the transmission should be good to go on. The clutch fork goes on first, and this fits just like this in between there. And that's gonna move back and forth like that. That's it. Okay, so basically what I just did, it's the stick that sticks out, the spring, and the ball sits on top of it so it doesn't pull out easy. And now it's sitting in that divot right there. Now the hardest part is gonna be trying to install the release sleeve onto here. Sorry, it's just get it? Or maybe it does. Look at that, guys. But there you go. The release bearing. I keep calling it a release bearing. I keep calling it a release bearing. It's a throwout bearing. So the throwout bearing is sitting on the input shaft. The release sleeve is connected to the clutch fork. The clutch fork is sitting on that pivot ball, and that's going to the clutch fork boot out the end, where we will put the slave cylinder to go into the divot on the opposite end of the clutch fork, which should move it like this. This contacts the pressure plate, so on, from what I know, right? But today we are going to install the flywheel, the clutch, and the pressure plate, because we got all the stuff we need for that.
You need a socket to put it in, right?
Yeah. Some heat spots on here.
It's okay. It's getting drifted anyways.